Neighborhood Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Again, thank you for being here. I do really appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join us. And as always, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And yes, as you can see from the description, we finally, almost halfway into December, have our November Allure Beauty Box. So if you've been around, you know that I kind of have a love-hate relationship with Allure. But we're just gonna move right along. We're gonna open this box. I'm sure if you've probably already seen, you know, plenty of these unboxings, but I figured I'd go ahead and do it just in case any of you missed it. For those of you that do not know, Allure is a $15 a month beauty subscription where you receive, you know, sample, sometimes full size, deluxe size sample products. Yeah. And like I said, it is $15 a month. I will leave a link below if you would like to sign up. I do know that right now you actually can get, I believe you can get your first box for like $7.50. Usually it's $10 for your first box, but right now I believe they do have a promotion for $7.50. So, as always, it comes with a matte little magazine that always has a very pretty lady on the front. We're going to kind of just go through this rather quickly because, like I said, most of you have probably already seen plenty of unboxings of this since, like I said, this is the November 2018 box. I am excited because I do know, obviously, this is like basically an all mask box, which I am perfectly fine with. So the very first one on top is a rose lip mask. So I am excited about this. So yeah, I mean, it's a lip mask. Not much else to say. So we will give that a try. This I am excited to try. And you can actually see it in the back here. This is by Glow Recipe. This is a Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. It's hydrating and soothing. So I am excited to try like a jelly mask. And I think the packaging is super cute. And then we received 3 of the Invisibobble hair ties. These are in like a light sheer pink almost. So those are always nice to have. What are you? This is also, nope, that's different. I'm sorry. This is by Glam Glow. Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave on for 5 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is a face mask. Again, by Glam Glow. It's like not wanting to. So it's like a mud mask. So yay. And then from Lapkos, we have a Pearl Brightening Sheet Mask. These are all actually very cute. Like the packaging on all of them is really cute. And then from Patchology, it's Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. So some under eye masks. That's gonna ding dong for a while. What is this? All right, so we have our last product here. Oh, okay, I think I do remember hearing about these. This is by Star Skin. It says Magic Hour Exfoliating Foot Mask Socks. So this basically is literally like socks, but it's a mask. And from what I'm seeing here, you put them on. It says you leave them on for 60 to 90 minutes. Avoid walking on slippery surfaces, remove socks and discard, and rinse feet thoroughly with warm water, towel dry. And then it says that dead skin and calluses will start to peel away gradually within 7 to 10 days. The peeling process may start sooner depending on the condition of feet. So I think this is actually really neat, but I'm like, do I want my feet to start like peeling? Just go get a pedicure. But I think the idea is really awesome, and I probably will give it a try. So that was the November 2018 Allure Beauty Box. I think they did a good job with covering everything. I mean, we have feet, eyes, face, lips, we got some hair ties, and then a mud mask. So, I mean, we're literally covered from head to toe. So, I don't know. I think it's great. We got 2 face masks. Like I said, the under eye mask, the lip mask, the foot mask, some hair ties, and then we have another full face, but it's not a sheet mask, it's a mud. So, I'm actually happy with it. I love masks of all types, so it works for me. It's a little late, but that's okay. Hopefully December will actually arrive in December. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I know you all have probably already seen plenty of these unboxings, but I did just want to go ahead and throw it up since I did finally receive it. I hope you all have a great day, and until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.